Hello students, good morning. I hope all of you are fine and healthy. In the previous class, we have started chapter 12, areas related to circle, and we have learned circumference and areas of a circle, and also we have completed exercise 12.1. Okay? Today you are going to know about some new concept. Okay, then let's start the class. Okay, then today we are going to learn about a new concept, that is areas of sector and segment of a circle. First of all, we have to know what is sector and segment. See, all of you got in class 9 already about this. If O is the center, this portion is called minor sector and this portion is called major sector. OA and OB are radius, and here you know that the part in between chord and the arc, this part is called what? Segment. And in this case it is minor segment, this is major segment. And we'll learn about how to find out the area of this major sector, minor sector, major segment, minor segment. See, we know that area of a circle is what? Pi r square. When degree measures of the angle at the center is 360. See, as we know that O is the center in this circle and OB and this one is the radius. This also R radius. When degree measure of the angle at the center is 360. If this angle is what? The center is what? 360. Then area of the circle is what? Pi r square. So if you use unitary method, then when degree measure of the angle at the center is how much? 1 degree. Then area of the sector, you can use this formula, pi r square in the place of angle. What is angle here? 1 degree. So you can write pi r square into 1 by 360. In this case, if you write 360 here, then 360 cancel because the angle is what? 360 here. That is why 360 cancel, then you will get pi r square. But if the angle is 1 degree, then you will get pi r square into by 360. That means pi r square by 360. Case 2, if area when degree measure of the angle at the center is how much? Theta. Right, what? Pi r square theta by 360. So to find out the area of any sector, you can use this formula. Area of the sector is equal to pi r square theta by 360. I hope all of you understood. Now similarly, you can find out length of an arc of a sector of angle theta is equal to what? Twice pi r theta by 360. This is the formula for what? Length of an arc of a sector of angle theta. Means this arc. How to find the length of an arc? Okay. So like you have to use to find out the sector, area of a sector by this formula, and you need to use this formula to find out the length of an arc of a sector of an angle theta. Now the next question is how to find out the area of segment. Here you can see, first try to understand the figure. If you join this line, this end points, then this is called what? This part is called what? Segment. How to find out the area of this segment? This is very easy. Why? Because you need to find out the area of this sector minus triangle. From this sector, if you subtract this triangle, then which part is left? This part, and this part is what? Segment. So like this you can find out the area of a segment. That is why I have written area of a segment, area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Okay. So I repeat, to find out the area of the sector, you have to use this formula, pi r square theta by 360, and to find the length of an arc of a sector of angle theta, you need to use 2 pi r theta by 360, and to find the area of a segment, you need to find out by this way. Again, area of a quadrant. Area of a quadrant. Quadrant meaning, first you have to know what is the meaning of quadrant. Suppose you are having a circle. Okay. This, see. Okay. Now see how many, if this all the parts are equal, then you can see there are 4 equal parts. I mean to say, if you divide it equally 4 parts, then you will get each angle is how much? 90 degree. Why? Because the total angle is how much? 360. 360 divided by 4 is what? Each angle is 90 degree. Now we can say that it is also a sector because it is a center. Then this border diameter, okay, then you will get 4 equal parts. Then in this case you can say his angle is 90 degree. Means if you want to say like that, this is a sector of angle 90 degree, then also correct. Or if you want to say this is also a quadrant, then also you are correct. This part are called also what? Quadrant. Okay, so you can use to find out the area of this quadrant, or you can find out the area of this quadrant by using this formula, sector formula also, because this is also called sector. Or if you want to use direct area of the quadrant, then what is the area of the circle? Pi r square, and this part is what? 1/4 of this. That is why you can write 1/4 pi r square. By using this formula also you can find out the area. Clear? Next, exercise 12.2. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if angle of the sector is 60 degree. Here the angle of the sector is 60 degree and radius is 6 cm. You need to find out the area of the sector. If you draw a figure, then you can see here this radius 6 cm and this is the center. Okay, the sector angle is this one, 60 degree. So now you need to find out the area of the sector, means this part, this sector. Okay, this minor sector. So radius is 6 cm, sector angle is 60 degree, area of the sector is, what is the formula? Pi r square theta by 360. Pi 22/7 r square, that is why I have written 6 into 6. Theta is how much? 60 degree by 360. Then 0 0 cancel, 6 6 are 36, then 6 1s are 6. Now what is left? 22 into 1 into 6 and denominator 7. If you calculate, then you will get 132/7 centimeter square. So like this you need to find the area of a sector. Next, question number 3. The length of the minute hand of a circle is 14 centimeter. The length of the minute hand of a clock is how much? 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Try to understand the question first. Length of the minute hand of a clock. See, all of you know, and all of you seen clock, has seen already clock. What is clock? A clock is a circular 7 knot, and it is also a center. Then if you see the minute hand, there are how many, according to how many means I mean to say, you can get one hour hand, then another minute hand, and one is what? Second. So okay, here no need second one. First we have to see the minute hand and the hour hand. So this is the minute hand. Okay, suppose here you can see that it is 12 o'clock and the minute hand on where? 1 o'clock, and this is 5 minutes. Yes or no? Now you need to find out the area of this. This is form sector or not? This form sector. So now you need to find the area of this sector. For this you have got the radius already. What is the radius of this minute hand? 14 centimeter. Means when this minute hand passes from 12 to 1, how much area it will cover, you need to find out. So simply you need to find out the area of this sector. Then what is the length of the minute hand? 14 centimeter, and it will be the radius of this circle. Then first of all you need to find out the angle. How much angle is formed here? So in general we know that in 1 hour 60 seconds. In 1 hour 60 minutes. If in 1 hour 60 minutes, then for 1 minute, how much angle you will get? So angle swept in 1 minute, total angle is 360 by 60, because 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. That is why 360 by 60, 0 0 cancel, 6 is the 36, means 6 degree. In 1 minute 6 degree. Then how much? For 5 minutes, angle sweep in 5 minutes, you can write how much? 6 into 5, how much degree? 30 degree. So you will get this angle, means this is a sector angle. Now you can find out the easily area of this sector. So area swept in 5 minutes, pi r square theta by 360. Pi 22/7, r is 14 square, means r means radius, length of the minute hand 14 centimeter. Then 14 centimeter means you can write 14 into 14, 14 centimeter means because radius is 14 centimeter, here r square, so 14 into 14, 30, 0 0 cancel, 3 12s are 36. Yes, here 7 to the 14. If you calculate or simplify, you will get 154 by 3 centimeter square. This is the area swept in 5 minutes. Clear? Next, Question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Okay. Subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. C. Suppose this is the figure. Name of the chord be AB and this O is the center of the circle. OA and OB are the radius. These are 10 centimeter. It is given in the question. And this angle is how much? 90 degree. So here it is clearly given that radius is 10 centimeter and sector angle is 90 degree. Now to find the minor segment, area of minor segment, we need to write like this. Area of the minor segment is what? Area of this sector OAPB, this whole part, this minus area of this triangle. Then you will get this portion. This is minor segment. So what is the sector formula? Pi r square theta by 360 minus this triangle is right angle triangle. So you can use half into base into height. So half into OA into OB. Then you have to use pi is equal to 3.14. It is given in the question. So the value of pi 3.14. R square is 10 square. Theta is 90 by 360. Pi OA is 10 and OB is also 10. 2 5 ja 10. Then 10 square is how much? 100. 100 into 3.14. 3.14 you will get 314 into 90 by 360. 0 0 cancel. 9 4 is 36. Then you will get 314 by 4 minus 50. If you simplify, you will get 28.5 centimeters. I hope all of you understood this. How to find the area of minor segment. Now you need to find the area of major segment. See, which is part is major segment. This is minor segment. This part already you've got. Now after this line segment, after AB, after this chord AB, this whole part is major segment. So area of the major segment is what? From you can find the area of circle minus area of this minor. Means from this whole circle, if you minus this area, then you will get this part. This part is what? Major segment. So area of the major segment is area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. So area of the circle is pi r square and area of the minor segment already you got 28.5. So pi 3.14, r square is 10 square, 28.5. If you multiply 3.14, 10 square is 100, 3.14 with 100, then you will get 314 minus 28.5. What? 285.5 centimeter square. So like this you need to find out the area of minor and major segment of a circle. Clear? See, in case any doubt regarding the concept of sector formula or how to find the length of an arc or how to find the area of minor or major segment, please get back to me. Feel free to ask me any question. Okay. So to get positive confidence, I have given some homework. Your homeworks are from exercise 12.2, question number 2, 5 and 6. Try to solve this question and submit in the evening. Thank you. God bless you.